Alright guys, we're here today at 3562 North 300 Drive out here in Buckeye, Arizona. This is the home right here in front of us. I will take a quick look around. As you can see, a super nice, quiet, peaceful neighborhood out here. And then we will come take a step inside. I do have the garage door cracked just so when I do show you guys the garage, you can see a little bit extra light in there. As you can see coming up to the front, you do get a security screen door, as well as a ring camera, and then also the front door, of course. And then you step into a nice little area right here. This will be a great place, maybe put like a little cabinet, some storage. You could store your shoes, some coats. You can hang them up over here. It's a really nice little storage area, or you can really put whatever you'd like right here. You also get a nice window, so you can actually see out front. You can see, who's at your door, all of those things right here. So we'll step back this way, and you notice we have the kitchen up in front of us, but we're going to save that for a little bit later. We're going to take a quick left over here. As you can see right away, we have a nice storage closet, which is actually going to be right off of the garage entrance right there, as well as the front door entrance. So it's a nice placement for a closet. All your outdoor stuff you like take to and from with your car, all of those things you could store easily right here, right in the way of coming in and out, which is a nice touch. And then you step this way into a pretty good sized laundry room in here. So plenty of space. You can easily get your washer and dryer in here, as well as like a cabinet. You can hang some things up in here. It's a really nice little area. And then back to the left, we have the massive 2-car garage, which, as you can see, it has the nice new flooring in here, all the cabinets, or I should say shelves up top, which allow for a ton of storage. As you can see, just a really, really nice size 2-car garage here. So we'll step back this way. That's the front door that we came in on our right. So we'll turn this way, and you walk into a really, really nice area of the home. So you have a massive kitchen, a huge island with the sink on the actual island itself, as well as this really nice area over here. I guess, call this like the living room or family room, whatever you'd like to call it. Put the TV over there, you get the ceiling fan, plenty of space over here. I also like the new wood flooring it has in here. Add some color, add some really nice, cool, modern feature to this home. So then you can see we have a bunch of windows on this wall, which allow for a ton of natural light. So you don't even need all of these lights on in here. And it's still going to be nice and light and bright in here. So we'll come this way into the kitchen. As you can see, some really nice touches. The granite countertops. This is a gas stovetop, as well as all the stainless steel appliances. Those are going to stay. So you get to use those. You don't have to bring your own, which again is really nice in terms, you don't have to move a big fridge or anything like that. It's already here. And then we'll come into a really nice size pantry, which you actually get a nice light up at the top as well. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. So a really, really nice size pantry here. And it's directly in the kitchen. So you don't even have to walk around the corner or anything like that. It's directly in the kitchen, which is also very nice. And then we'll come back this way. So the front door again is back that way. And we'll step through over to here. And you walk into the guest bathroom, which you can see really nice finishes all throughout. Beautiful tile flooring. And then something I think is really cool is you have a bedroom directly on both sides. So we'll step into this left one first. And as you can see, a nice big window. You get plenty of storage space with these 2 doors of storage over here. And also, it's almost even 3 because it goes back quite a ways on each side. So, really, you can almost call this like 3 doors of storage that you get, which is massive for a home this size. And then you can see, you get plenty of light coming in from outside. Step in the corner, so you can see these rooms are actually really, really nice size. And again, you get the ceiling fan with the light on it, also a nice addition. And you actually get remotes as well in all the bedrooms that control, the fan speed, the light, all of those things you can control with the remote, which is super cool. So we'll step across the way into almost an identical bedroom, Instead of the sliding doors in the other one though, you do get an actual door in this one. Just kind of depends on preference, but it's still a really, really nice sized closet in here. Plenty of space. And again, a huge window allowing for a ton of light in here. The camera doesn't really pick up how bright it is in here, but that window, you really get a lot of light in here. So it's really nice and bright, as well as, again, the ceiling fan with the light on it itself, another nice touch. So we'll step out into the kitchen, past all of these big windows again, and kind of at the back of the home is where the primary bedroom is going to be. So as you can see, it's huge in here. Again, the ceiling fan, and you also get another one of the remotes right here. And just a really, really nice size room. A bunch of windows, 2 here, you can see the window over there. And you also get a really nice view of the backyard. We're going to save that for the end because it's actually really cool. So we're going to save that for the finisher. But we'll step into the primary bathroom, closet. All of that is back in here. So you can see the beautiful dual vanities, the nice dark cabinets. I love the chrome finishes as well. It's super, super nice. Again, I love this shower as well because it has the low ledge on it, so you can step into it really easily. It's not one of those like tub bath combo things where you have to step over the huge ledge. You can just walk directly into it. And then we'll step into the massive primary closet. So you also get storage right here, but you also get this really nice walk-in closet. So you get a ton of space in here. I mean, I'm all the way in this back corner. And so you guys can really see how big it actually is in here. And again, you get a nice light up at top. And then we will step back out into the primary bedroom. So we'll come back through here. And then we're going to see one of my favorite parts of the home. Besides like the location, how close you are to a ton of shopping, food places. This is easily my favorite part of the home, which is going to be the backyard. So as you can see, you get a nice area of space over here, with a little shed, some storage areas back there. But I mean, look at this backyard. So not only do you get the privacy, but you also get a really, really cool looking fireplace right here, as well as a nice little turf area. So this fireplace is actually going to be using real wood. So that's also something that's really nice because it's not one of those gas ones. So you can use like real wood, roast some marshmallows when it's cold out. It's the perfect time of year right now to be using a fireplace out here. And you also get a really nice view over the back fence out here. It's a beautiful little wash area. You've got all the birds back here. It's really, really nice and quiet. Get some sun out here. So guys, this is it. This is the tour of the home. If you have any questions you want to inquire or apply about the home here, you can visit our website at rpmphoenixvalley.com. Thank you for touring with me.